We are in Trinidad, Colorado at the Club 14 Garden Grill and Pub, and they have this trolley car here. Not sure if this is like the ones that they ran in Denver, Fort Collins, Loveland, Greeley, Pueblo. Probably is. I don't know if I'll have to look into it to see if Trinidad actually ran a trolley. I believe that they are electric, and that I don't see the pickups on top for electric. Clark Equipment Company. There's actually a museum in Pueblo, which we've gone to. Actually, I'm sorry, Colorado Springs. That's a trolley car museum, and they also restore them there. There's the restaurant. Pretty good, tasty. I had a slopper, which is a local favorite. It's an open-faced burger with green chili, and apparently they have a variation here with the French fries on it, but it's good. It's tasty. But yeah, cool trolley car. Trinidad's a good stop if you're heading north or south on I-25. Lots of history.